Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this haul video. So this is going to kind of be a combination haul video. I have stuff from Simon Says Stamp and I have a few things from Michaels. So I thought I'd go through the Michaels things first. So I got a whole bunch of pieces of foam. Now these are quite big, and what I do is I cut them down, and by cutting them down obviously it just helps so much with storing them. These are originally 12 by 18, and as you can tell that's quite big, so by cutting it down it's just really easy to store. Now I've moved away from a lot of the little foam dots like this. You have to put a lot of these just to cover a surface, but if you cut your foam and put it behind, like especially on a card, and you have a big portion that you are adding dimension to, those little squares kind of get annoying, plus they leave a lot of gaps. So I just show you on this card here, this card is raised by foam and this whole surface is flat, so not a whole bunch of little dots with places behind it, right? Spaces behind it. So basically this gives your cards a way more, basically it's nice and flat and straight. Nothing's going to get bent. If you sent it in the mail, you're not going to have a problem because you've got all that foam on there. So I got that from Michaels, and then the other thing I got from Michaels is this here. Now this is an older product that was brought out a long time ago in their newer colors. This is the Crocodile, and what makes this difference from other hole punch and eye setters that they have is this one has this space in here. So if I want to put a hole, say in the middle of this foam, I can do that because this has this hole here and it reaches all the way across. So if you're doing albums or other projects where you're not just putting the hole in like a small amount of area, but you need the hole further into the paper or chipboard or whatnot, this will do it for you. Now when I bought that, it was impossible to find eyelets because that also sets eyelets. And I did look, and Simon Says Stamp had some. So I grabbed some of these. These here are gray eyelets. There's also like this, it's pretty much lighter white, but these are the right size to fit with the Crocodile. You get lots of colors, and these add just nice little embellishments for albums or whatever type of projects you want to add a little decoration to. I also got these, and these ones here are more metallic colors with the silvers and the darker silver there and that. And I like these because I thought that these would be really good on a lot of the albums I use. And then I also got these ones. That Crocodile also will set the wider eyelets, and you can just look up the setting for that, and basically you can have these, and these are really cool because they are a lot bigger and a lot wider, so they're a little bit more chunkier, and something like this would be really good for vintage things and kind of chunky albums and stuff like that. And then I also got one of these. It kind of fell apart in the shipping, but that's okay. This is the pen blade, and I've seen a lot of crafters use this, and especially for taking off the back of score tape, trimming things, using like a ruler with this. So I thought I'd grab this and try this out. I've been doing a lot of work with X-Acto knives, and I wondered how this would compare with that. So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed this, and I thought this was going to be a lot smaller. I guess I didn't really read the instructions. So this is an 8.5 square guide. So this helps you find the square on your project, and it's through inches. And I've been kind of struggling again with the X-Acto knives and basically cutting along that edge. So I was looking at some other rulers and that might be more helpful. We'll see how I like this. Like I said, this is obviously way bigger than I intended. I thought it might be only about that big. So we'll see how I like it. I'm kind of worried about how big it is already, but we'll see how it goes. So I also got 2 packages of these Lawn Fawn packages of clear acetate. There's 5 sheets in here. These are 0.007 thick, and they are heat resistant. And I've been doing a lot of albums with acetate. I have a video on this. You can see this here is an acetate window. You can see from the glare there. And I just wanted some more acetate for that. I also have under here one of the pockets that's also acetate that I made. So I just wanted to get some more acetate, and I found on Simon Says Stamp that the Lawn Fawn had some of this acetate, so I got 2 packages of that. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I really look forward to trying out these eyelets with that new Crocodile. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.